Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 money-making apps to earn easy PayPal money from your phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And now I'm at my channel right here. As you can see, I have a lot of videos that I show about making money online. Especially, I show videos on how to make PayPal money real easy. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, hit that like button. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And please drop a comment if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Also type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win the free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. So go ahead and hit that like button and drop hashtag get your grind on in the comments. Type that for me. All right. I don't want to waste you guys' time since I got 3 apps to show you guys. These apps are available worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you're at, you'll be able to use them and you'll be able to make some PayPal money real easy. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Don't skip through anything so you know all 3 apps so you can get started today. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over to the first app. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is Cashpirate. Now I'm in the Google Play Store, so if you have Android, you'll be able to download this app. So on this app, you're going to be able to make some money different ways on here. So how it works is you're going to be collecting coins and you'll be able to redeem those coins in for PayPal money. So they have let's look on here right quick. They have, as you can see, they have cool surveys you can fill out. And let's see, next one. This is very important right here. They have a referral system and you can make a lot of money referring people. So once you go ahead and download this app, get started with that referral system. And like I said before, you'll be able to cash in your coins for PayPal money or Amazon gift cards. And most likely, you're going to want that cash for that PayPal money cash. So you better get that PayPal account if you don't have one so you can get that cash through PayPal. And also have statistics on here where you can see how much money you're making. And let's get out of here. Let me scroll down here. I'm going to go ahead and go pretty fast. I'm not going to talk all day about this app because I have talked about it before, but I wanted to bring it up because it's an easy way to make some PayPal money. So let me just go ahead and share this with you right quick. So how to make some free PayPal money now. So you can download free apps, try free games, invite friends, like I said, and you're going to get at least 10% of their earnings as a bonus. And completing surveys, free product trials, and watching videos. So there's definitely a lot of ways to make some money on here. Now let's just look at the rating. Now the 5 stars is 4.4. That's pretty good. And let's just read one of the reviews. Okay, there's one review from Joshua Jacob. It says, nice start. The app is cool and has nice offers, but won't rate it 5 stars until I get my first payout. So this person has just started off. They like the offers and everything. They just haven't got paid just yet because they just started. But they're going to get paid because this app pays out pretty fast. You don't have to wait 2 to 3 weeks or a month to get paid. Okay, so that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this app. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next app. So if you're ready to get started, again, it's called Cashpirate. You can get it. You can download it from the Google Play Store. Let me go ahead and go to the second app. Okay, I'm at the second app, and the name of this app is Mobiy, and it's a secret shopping app. So what you're going to do when you download this app and register and everything, you're going to be searching for your favorite places. So, like coffee shops and restaurants. And you're going to unlock achievements to earn more points. So you'll be able to unlock achievements to your favorite place. You'll be able to earn points doing that. And you're going to be able to redeem your points for prizes and gift cards. And of course, PayPal money. Now, here are the 3 easy steps you're going to be taking. So you open up Mobiy, and pick a business on the map. There are thousands of missions. So you're going to be doing a mission across the U.S. at a variety of retailers and restaurants. Start a mission, answer simple questions while you shop or eat, earn points for your work. As you progress, you will unlock achievements and level up. Redeem your points for hot gift cards and cool swag. And let's scroll down here and read a little bit more. Let's go ahead and look at the rating. Now the 5 stars is 4.1. I know that's kind of low, but it's still, anything over 4 is still a good app. So let's just read one of the reviews here. This person right here said, fun extra cash. I do missions while I'm already out to pick up a little extra cash and gift cards. If you have 500 points, you can get $5 gift cards and you can literally cash them in. So this person they got 4 stars, so they definitely like the app. So that's all I'm gonna say about this one. It's straightforward. You're gonna be doing some mission, answer some simple questions and earn points, and you'll be able to trade those points in for gift cards and cash. Okay then, let me go ahead and go to the third and final app. Okay, I'm at the third and final app. And I've never talked about this app before. The name of it is Gift Panda, rewards and gift cards. So on Gift Panda, you're going to be discovering and testing apps and products from your favorite brands. So you're going to be playing your favorite games and testing premium websites and products, sharing your opinion by completing surveys, and also you're going to be able to invite friends and get at least 10% of their earnings, just like the Cashpirate app. So this is a pretty fun app to make some money from. And let's scroll down and read a little bit more. They also said on here, we have already rewarded more than 1,500,000 to our members. That's a lot of money to give out to people. So people has been making money on this app. And let's go down here and look at the rating. Oh yeah, and this app does pay out through Amazon, gift card, and PayPal. So now this app is 4.1 also out of 5 stars. But like I said, anything over 4 is still a pretty good app. And let's read some of these reviews here. All right, you have one review from this person named Melissa. They said, I like it. Haven't got enough to cash out, but enjoying myself very much. So they're enjoying the app. They haven't accumulated enough points probably to cash out yet, but they enjoy the app. Here's one, a Google user, said, I really like the app. It's fun, and I like the stores on it. Does it pay? They want to know if it pays. But of course, as they keep working with the app, they're going to learn how it get paid. All right, so that's all I'm going to read. As far as the reviews, you can come on here and read the reviews for yourself once you download this app. So, like I said, basically this app is a lot of ways to make some money. Also, similar to Cashpirate, I just wanted to find another app that's similar to Cashpirate where you can make even more PayPal money. All right, so if you're ready to go ahead and start making money with this app, it's in the Google Play Store. Go ahead and go to Gift Panda. All right, so that concludes this video for today. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making that money, making that PayPal money with these apps, go ahead and download these apps and get started. All right, before you click away, please hit that like button for me and drop a comment down below. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on. Oh yeah, please let me try to help me to get like 50 likes, guys. 50 likes on this video. That's all I ask for. It's going to really help my video and this channel out if I get 50 likes. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. Also, if you share it everywhere and we get at least 3,000 subscribers, because I'm not too far away, one of you guys is going to win some free money. So share it everywhere. Help me get to 3,000 subscribers. I've been sitting on 2,400 and something too long. Grind family, you guys, y'all been helping me out so much. Keep helping me out. Let's get the word out. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Again, Grind family, thank you. Thank you for everything. Oh yeah, please drop a creative comment also along with get your grind on, hashtag get your grind on. Also, drop just a creative comment, because sometimes I pick a comment out and I do a shout out for that person in one of my videos. So make sure you do that when you drop that in the comments, when you drop a comment below. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. Please be safe out there. Take care. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Please go watch some other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind on. Yeah. Get your grind on. Yeah. Get your grind on.